Information technology service management includes which of the following aspects? IT support service, IT delivery service, or both of these? Answer is both of these. So information technology service management, actually it is a combination of various processes and procedures, and उनका objective है to provide efficient and effective service delivery, IT service delivery to the business. So उनका first focus क्या आता है? Proper management of infrastructure, IT applications and hardware etc. so that the business deliverable will be provided as required or as provided in the agreement. So IT service management is actually covers both IT support service and also IT delivery service. So answer is both of these. Hello friends, now we shall discuss various MCQs on what is Information Technology Service Management or ITSM, what are various aspects of ITSM, what are various tools used in ITSM, and many other aspects. Service desk, incident management, problem management, configuration management, change management, release management come under which of the following services? IT support services or IT delivery services or both of these? Answer is IT support service. So these aspects is covered under IT support service. Service level agreement, IT financial management, capacity management, IT service continuity management, availability management come under which of the following services? IT support service, IT delivery service or both of these? Answer is IT delivery service. So these activities or these functions comes under IT delivery services. फ्रेंड्स, इस वीडियो का लेफ्ट बॉटम पार्ट में आपको एक लिंक मिलेगा और इस लिंक में आपने क्लिक करके एनी ऑफ द ई कॉमर्स साइट को एंटर करके आपका चॉइस्ड आइटम जैसे कि शूज हो सकता है, मोबाइल हो सकता है, ड्रेसेस हो सकता है, कोई भी आइटम आप खरीद सकते हैं एंड इट इज विदाउट एनी एक्स्ट्रा कॉस्ट. बट इफ यू विल परचेज दिस item from this channel, it will be support to this channel. Which of the following management reduces the gap between customer expectations and the services offered? Service level agreement, capacity management, IT service continuity management, availability management. Answer is service level agreement. So सर्विस लेवल एग्रीमेंट एक्चुअली डिफाइंस करता है नेचर, टाइप, टाइम एंड अदर रिलेवेंट इंफॉर्मेशंस जो कि सर्विस प्रोवाइडर प्रोवाइड करेगा. हेंस दिस सर्विस लेवल एग्रीमेंट reduces the gap between customers' expectations and the service offered by the service provider. So answer is A, service level agreement. Which of the following characteristics of IT service are used to define the service level agreement? Accuracy and completeness, timeliness and security, or all of these? Answer is all of these. So accuracy, completeness, timeliness and security, all these four characteristics are used in IT service to define the service level agreement. Which of the following tools identify all applications that did not successfully complete or otherwise malfunctioned? Exception reports, system application logs, operator problem reports, operator work schedules. Answer is exception reports. So एक्चुअली जो ऑप्शन में दिया गया है, ए में एक्सेप्शन रिपोर्ट्स, बी में सिस्टम एप्लीकेशन लॉग्स, सी में ऑपरेटर प्रॉब्लम रिपोर्ट्स, डी में ऑपरेटर वर्क शेड्यूल्स. These are actually 4 tools to monitor the efficiency and effectiveness of the service provided by the IS personals. So these are 4 tools to monitor the efficiency of the service provider. An exception report actually identify all applications that did not successfully complete or otherwise malfunction. So answer is A. Out of these 4 tools, exception reports actually identify करता है जो एप्लीकेशन सक्सेसफुली कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ है और अदरवाइज malfunction कर रहा है, उसको आइडेंटिफाई करता है एक्सेप्शन रिपोर्ट. सो आंसर इज ए. Friends, you may join as a member of this channel for availing various type of benefits, including watching all videos of the channel. With which of the following tools the auditor can ensure that only authorized personnel has access to sensitive data and data files are adequately protected? Exception reports, system application logs, operator problem reports, or operator work schedules. Answer is system application logs. So logs are generated from various systems and applications and that identify all application problems, and these logs provide additional and useful information regarding activities performed on the computer, who has performed the activity, when the activity has been performed. So everything is known from the application logs. So system application logs, with the help of system application logs, auditor can ensure that only authorized personnel has access to sensitive data and the data files are adequately protected. So answer is B. Which of the following is a framework of practice guidance in information technology service management that is used in setting up service level agreements specifically for enterprise network operations? The Information Technology Infrastructure Library, ITIL, or Client Server Security? Answer is the Information Technology Infrastructure Library, ITIL. So ITIL को डेवलप किया है UK Office of Government Commerce, and it is a detailed framework with all hands-on information regarding how to achieve successful operational service management of IT. So ITIL actually is a detailed framework जिसमें कि all the procedures and processes are detailedly explained for successful operational service management of information technology. So answer is A. थैंक यू. आशा करता हूं कि वीडियो आपको बहुत अच्छा लगा, एंड इफ सो प्लीज डोंट फॉरगेट टू गिव ए लाइक दिस वीडियो. You may also join as a member of this channel for watching all videos. Thank you again. Bye.